Okay, we made a couple of edits to the van, more for comfort than anything else. So the bedding itself comes in this protective layer, the machine washable layer, and this layer as well. So you have to cut open the sides, and what we did is we trimmed it off using a straight edge, and then what you do is you pull it and then use a razor blade, and it will cut and pull away very slowly. And what we did is we took it and we folded it underneath itself, and then we tucked it back in here and zipped it up again. And that's kind of what we did for all three sections of the bed. Okay, and after that, looks like this. All nice and neat, fits perfectly in there. And now you have a section of foam left over for either a pillow or a couch. We can stack it in the back or put it upright, but we're gonna probably put these in pillowcases and use them later on. A few more edits. We added these bungee cords to this one. We're testing two different systems, so we have this on this side, and we actually have rope. You can probably see them on the other side so that it doesn't fall on that way. We added this grip matting so it doesn't roll around or slide around while we're driving. We're going to test that out. Over here, we put a barrier. We tried to use rope for a little bit. We're going to test out both systems. Again, more matting. These little boxes for canned goods and stuff. Some containers. A little nook for our aluminum paper and stuff. We're probably going to put the mason jars and screw the lid to the bottom here so that we can attach it underneath. So we saw that, we thought that was ingenious. Over here we have a trash can, and it's purposely this size because it fits a plate. So this is our sink, and what we did is I got a funnel and attached it to the bottom here after drilling some holes in it. So that will allow it to drain, and the angle will make it come out of this funnel. This is a vinyl tubing and a hose clamp, and this is gonna run off into our gray water small container there. Now it's only attached with zip ties, and I need to trim these off to these D-rings. And what that allows us to do is I can take it off of this thing whenever I want to. I can just pull it off, and I'm probably gonna attach a few more pieces to the kitchen area back here so I can wash while I'm outside in the back, or maybe a few more to the other side of that so I can wash dishes outside if I need to. And that way, if we do that, we can just have the gray water hose run off to the outside. It'll be clean as long as we use a environmentally safe soap. So that's our plan for that. The back here we edited a little bit because we had a harder time getting to the cooler, which was here. So what we decided to do was flip this up over here. So I attached these hinges here, and this now flips up so we can reach the cooler that's underneath there if need be. So that's an addition that we put in to the back here, and it's still a cooking area. We also purchased a few of these containers. There's a short one and a very long one back there. That one's about 3 feet long. This one's about 2 feet long, and that's gonna have that should carry all of our clothes that we need. They do slide out if we need to, and I'll probably need to put something in here so it makes sure it doesn't slide back and forth. And there's a bit more room underneath here in case I wanted to put another box or something on top of there, but it can hold quite a bit more underneath there as well.